to the house right now. We're all dressed and ready. I need to run some errands. It's Friday, by the way, so happy Friday to you all. I think it's the last time I picked up this camera. I don't know, it's been a couple of days. But we need to head out of here. As usual, I'm just running behind on the time that I actually pictured in my head. Wanted to be out of here for 11, and now it's moving on to almost 1 o'clock. So yeah, but the fit that we're in is just something regular, errands day. My hair, I started my hair last night, by the way. I had to put on this hat because I don't know what's at the top of my head. Just the back has been done, half the hair, so half of the top left to be done. So yeah, and then oh, tomorrow I'm going to a brunch, so I'm gonna take you guys with me tomorrow for a brunch. Yeah, so the weekend, you know, I have something to do for the weekend. Anyways, we are gonna head out. I need to get the rundown for the list today. Need to go to the supermarket, need to get some water, need to buy bleach, and something else. Oh, need to go to the ATM. I need to pick up something from my mom's. I need to drop off something on my mom's as well. And yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Let's go. The clothes are coming on the road. We have the vibration with the beat, with the music load. Take a trip. Y'all, I am back home. I couldn't take y'all with me. Like, I was up and down, all around, to the left, to the right, all about. Like, I was so busy today, like but just got home and I'm gonna head inside. I wanted pizza, but well, what I wanted for dinner today was pizza or pasta, and I was passing the pizza place. I'm like, pizza, pasta, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do pasta. So I'm gonna head inside, wash my hands, and start to put on my pasta. It's going on to 4:30 right now, so cook my pasta, shower, and then yeah, and then I have to finish my hair. So we got a lot of stuff to do today. My hair has to finish tonight or even tomorrow morning because I'm going to brunch tomorrow afternoon. So the hair after done, the car need for wash, so it's best I finish my hair tonight so I can probably leave out around 12 o'clock so my car can be washed before I go to brunch, because the car is terrible. Like, when I don't want to see it, like, it's awful. It's been like this for like 2 weeks, so that's bad, extremely bad. But yeah, I have some stuff around the back that I need to take inside, and then yeah, I'm off to brunch right now. I'm just gonna show you guys a quick fit. We did our makeup and our glasses is in the car. We're just going very simple today. This cute top tied to the end, and I'm wearing a skirt with my wedge. You guys can't see, but I'm gonna show you guys in the full mirror. Yeah, so this is what we're working with. This camera here so y'all can see. Yeah, you guys can see a little bit. Yeah, so wedge, skirt. Yeah, this is a fit.
Girl, I get the money, we feel me to mine.
Shrimp and chicken. You can't one or the other. Yeah. Because I realized that something we can like cook and drop on like How was brunch?
Great.
Okay. Brunch was amazing, y'all. It's the first time going to Chive Restaurant, and it was definitely a vibe. It's very small on the inside, very intimate on the inside. The decor, very nice. Oh my god, the food. I had the tacos. The food was good. It's only 2 tacos though. I was still hungry, but it was still good. So I had a very nice time there. So if you want a brunch vibe, Saturday, Sunday brunch vibe, you guys can definitely go to Chive. I'm definitely gonna go back there for like dinner to see, because the tacos was very nice. It was very good. All right, it's time. Oh, by the way, we're gonna go to Mellow Vibes later. Mellow Vibes is like a old dancehall type of vibes, 80s 90s types of vibe music, so we're gonna go there tonight. Ooh, and have some fun. Ugh, let's go home.
And don't play the hit, we make them.
Y'all, it's midnight literally, and we just reached at the party. Well, I don't even reach yet. I am in traffic. I don't know if I told you guys where we're going, but we're going to Mellow Vibes. So Mellow Vibes is a 90s party. I think it's 90s to 2000 music that they're playing tonight. I haven't been to one of these in so long, so yeah, and it's so, you know, I'm dressed for the occasion. I mean, shorts, sneakers, and yeah, I think it's a shorts theme tonight. I just saw the VIP entrance, right? I'm going to VIP, but I'm not a VIP parking. Someone I think they might even let me in without showing them that I have a VIP ticket, you know. Someone I know. I'm tired. Like, I left my house, y'all. I left my house like 11:30 p.m. in the night. Like, I haven't left my house so late it's been a while. Like, wow. And I'm like super tired. I mean, I wonder if they're gonna let me in at the VIP. I don't find out, because I really prefer to park at this side. Alright, so I got parking and all of that, so just waiting for everybody else to get here, and they also have my ticket. Like, listen, first of all, I am early. I am early for the first time in a long time. Your girl is early and nobody's here. So I can't complain because I always have people waiting on me, you know, so I'm not gonna complain, but I'm definitely early. And I knew I left out early, you know. I knew that because I left out like 11:30. I left out at my house, but agreed time was to get here at midnight. So I am on time, and I'm proud of myself, so it's okay. And there's a lot of people here tonight too. I am so tired. Like, I can't believe it's midnight. Oh, and I'm not in the party yet. Well, it's 13 minutes past midnight right now. So, just gonna chill here until they get here. Nothing else you can do, girl. But I think this would be like the end of the vlog. After I go in, I just, you know, give you guys a little B-roll type of vibe, and then yeah, that's it. So hope you guys enjoy this crazy vlog, because I know this vlog was out and about. I was all over the place. I had errands, like, it was crazy.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean.
I don't want karaoke song. I don't want more karaoke song. Come rewind. Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine. If you love me, every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. But I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. I love you every day.